Hello everyone and welcome back to this little video. So basically yesterday I uploaded, or the day before, I think the day before I uploaded a video showing you how to convert BNB to Smartchain and vice versa. And it got a bunch of dislikes, also some likes but some dislikes for sure. Because basically, first of all, it wasn't really visible in the video, and I want to apologize for this, because basically I filmed it here using OBS, so I didn't actually see, because I was on Binance and stuff and I was filming, so yeah, I didn't actually see what was happening on my phone and how much you could see of it. I, to be honest, imagined it to be clearer, so I'm sorry for this first of all. And then secondly, there were a bunch of people that messaged me that they had problems swapping Smartchain to BNB and vice versa. Now, I never had these problems. It had to do with like network stuff, and yeah, I'm sorry for this, for causing so much confusion. For me, this method still works. Like I can still swap BNB and Smartchain in the Trustwallet, but today what I want to show you in this video, just to get rid of this topic, is just when you buy crypto, just determine firstly like what you want to start in, and this is super simple, and I just quickly want to share this with you, hopefully to get rid of all the confusion. And I'm gonna put the link of this video in the description of the other video, because I think this will be a lot clearer now. So basically here we are on Binance. If you don't know how to buy crypto on Binance, I'll also put a link into the description, how you can buy, either with your credit card or with a bank deposit, how you can buy crypto there. And when you go to fiat and spot on your Binance wallet, you can see all these coins here, and I've already made this clear before, but now for us the important thing is BNB. And if we want to have it in Smartchain, I'm going to show you now how you can withdraw it in Smartchain already, so you don't have to swap or convert anything in the Trust wallet itself. You can do this when you buy the crypto basically. And this is what makes it really simple. So all you want to do is you want to click withdraw on the exact row, so BNB. You want to withdraw BNB basically to your Trust wallet, right? This is what we want to do. And now what you want to do is you want to go to your Trust wallet and you want to select either Smartchain or BNB, and it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna select Smartchain now. It's really simple, honestly. You don't even have to see the phone right now. You just click on the coin that you want to withdraw, and then you click receive up there. You click receive, and there you see this address, and this one here you just have to paste it in. And depending on which coin you choose, it's either BNB or Smartchain. Like for me right now it's Smartchain, because I have everything in Smartchain at the moment. Then you just paste it in, the address here, and it will automatically select either the BSC network or the BNB network. And if you put in a Smartchain address, it will automatically select the Smartchain network. And then you can just click max or however much you want to withdraw, and you hit submit, and then it will come to your Trust wallet, and you will automatically, if you paste in the address here correctly, it will automatically be in Smartchain on your Trust wallet, so you can immediately go ahead and swap it to other tokens if you want to. If you go to BNB on your Trust wallet and you paste in the BNB address, so the actual Binance Coin network, the Binance Chain network here, you have it, the BEP2. If you paste in the address there, it will automatically select the Binance Chain network. If you then want to swap BNB to smaller tokens, you will have to do what I miserably explained in the last video, which is basically within the Trust wallet, you need to then swap it to Smartchain. So yeah, I hope this video helped a bit now. Just do it prior to anything else. Just determine first, okay, what do you actually want to do with the crypto? It's good to have a plan in mind anyway. So if you know, okay, I want to invest into smaller tokens and coins, then honestly just immediately paste it in here as the Smartchain. It will select the Binance Smartchain network, and then you're good to go. And then you'll have it as Smartchain in your Trust wallet, and then you don't need to swap anything. So just do it firstly here on Binance. Think exactly what you want to withdraw. And yeah, I hope this cleared out some confusion now on this topic. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. My name is Luca, I'm the German travel guy. And yeah, follow me for more videos. And also I launched a Patreon account now, so if you manage, I don't know, to invest into some cryptos through my videos and they go to Moon, consider supporting my Patreon, because then I'll do lots more updates and crypto videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.